Today I'm going to share with you where I am at after publishing for 2 months on KDP. Welcome to my treasury, where we work together to find alternate forms of passive income. Now, back on July 14th, 2021, I uploaded my very first no content book on the KDP dashboard. Going into this project, there was a few things that I knew for sure. Number one, it was highly unlikely that I was going to make sales as soon as I uploaded my first book. Number two, with the amount of books already uploaded onto the Amazon or KDP platform, it was very unlikely that customers would be able to find me easily, nor were any customers actually looking for me. Number three, marketing was definitely going to make all the difference in the world. So this is what I have achieved so far in the no content or low content book publishing market. I have scheduled 1 day per week where I spend anywhere from 1 to 2 hours just working on creating or uploading new low content or no content books. So far, I have managed to stick with this plan. I have now uploaded about 14 books onto the KDP dashboard. Out of these 14 books, 7 of them are notebooks with different covers, and 7 of them are niche specific notebooks. I also created a Facebook page that is specific to this author name because, again, I'm also a self-published author and I have multiple pen names. So I created a brand new author name specific for this low content and no content book publishing, and now I have a Facebook page to go along with it. So I do regular or weekly posts. Basically, anytime one of the books that I've uploaded is ready for purchase, then I also update it on the Facebook page. Now, I don't have a ton of followers. I have invited basically everybody possible on my personal Facebook friends list. And as of right now, I only have 39. I guess there's just not a ton of interest yet, but I'm going to keep posting and make it more visible. Now, up until yesterday, I only made 7 sales, but it was all me. I'm a little bit more cautious about the quality and making sure it's a unique product. So I've purchased a copy of some of those notebooks for myself so that I can inspect the layout in that and make sure it is good enough to my standards. So have you started your KDP journey yet? If so, how is it going? Let me know in the comments down below. Also tell me, if you're willing to share, how many books you have managed to upload. Are you making sales, and are you advertising it in any way, shape, or form, or are you just hoping that the KDP, the wave, is pushing your books out to customers? So as of yesterday, I started my very first Amazon advertising campaign just for the notebooks, and I've only put 7 of them on this campaign because only 7 of them fit the keywords that I selected. So this morning I woke up and I log on to KDP dashboard and I don't see any new sales, but I go to the Amazon advertising, login, because it's a separate login, and sure enough, I have made 1 sale. So I'm going to keep checking. I know that there's kind of a time limit on KDP on when your sales through advertising will actually reflect on your dashboard. The last time when I purchased 4 of my books in one purchase, it took 2 or 3 days for my sales to actually show. And I think it might be because it won't show until it ships. I could be wrong in that, but that is my guess. So going forward, I am going to continue to upload weekly. I'm going to spend 1 to 2 hours doing something in regards to designing or uploading. Normally in this 1 to 2 hour time frame, I'm usually able to create, design, do the cover, get the ISBN number and the barcode, and do all of that and upload it within that 1 to 2 hour time frame, depending on what I'm doing. I haven't done a lot of custom work yet. I only have 3 different interior designs so far that I've used different covers for. One of those interiors I only use in one specific cover because I don't feel like I need to make multiple covers for that specific book. Notebooks, so simple line notebooks is completely different. You can design, season-based covers, like a fall notebook or a summer notebook, a beach notebook, Halloween notebook. You kind of focus on whatever season is coming next, and you can still use the exact same interior. So after this, I'm going to continue to update monthly on how my KDP journey is going. This is going to be my first time actually getting a sale on KDP in terms of the notebooks. I still get some small regular sales with my full content ebooks, but I'm hoping the more that I publish, the more visibility I get, the more sales I'll make. So here's a little gemstone for you. When you're using your KDP dashboard and you have a very specific author name for low content that is not the same as your account name, like the name that your personal name that you have registered your account with, if you go to your actual Amazon, so amazon.ca.com, whatever, you can actually order that book through there and it does count as a sale. Now I know you're thinking, why would I want to do that? I can just buy an author copy. Well, here's the thing. Because you're using your Amazon account and your names are different, this allows you to actually put a rating for your product. So I was able to rate my notebook with a 5-star rating. I didn't leave any comments because my publishing name is still my personal name. So I didn't want to do that. I just wanted to get a star rating up there so that if somebody searches and my book does come up with the Amazon ads, they can at least see that there was a purchase and a 5-star rating along with that. Now, I don't know if this is going to draw me into any problems in the future, or if Amazon is going to pick up on that and say anything, but they knew I was using my account. It's the same, email and such that I used to set up my KDP dashboard. However, it let me do it. So here's hoping. Thank you so much for joining me, and please don't forget to leave a comment below and hit the thumbs up. I really hope that we can enjoy this journey together. Take care, treasure hunters, and we'll see you soon. Happy hunting.